Food prices are becoming increasingly unpredictable. From supply chain disruptions to global events, the cost of feeding your family can skyrocket without warning. Relying solely on grocery stores leaves us vulnerable. But there's a powerful solution right in your own backyard. Cultivating a resilient food supply is not just a hobby. It's a vital preparedness strategy for every gardener, prepper, and homeowner. It's about taking control of your family's sustenance. Today, we're unveiling 7 essential crops that truly matter when food prices go out of control. These aren't just easy to grow, they offer high caloric value, excellent nutrition, and superior storage capabilities. Let's dive into building your food security. First on our list is the potato. This root vegetable is a powerhouse of carbohydrates, providing essential energy when it's needed most. Potatoes are incredibly versatile in the kitchen, forming the base of countless meals. They are relatively easy to grow in various climates and soil types. Crucially, potatoes store exceptionally well for months in a cool, dark place. A single harvest can provide sustenance through the leanest times. Next up, the sweet potato. Often overshadowed by its white cousin, the sweet potato is a nutritional superstar. It's packed with vitamins A and C, fiber, and complex carbohydrates. Sweet potatoes thrive in warmer climates and are surprisingly prolific growers. Their vines can also be eaten, adding another layer of food security. Like regular potatoes, they boast an impressive storage life, lasting for months if cured properly. Dry beans are an absolute must-have for any survival garden. They are an incredible source of plant-based protein, fiber, and essential minerals. Beans are a cornerstone of a balanced diet, especially when meat is scarce or expensive. Varieties like kidney, pinto, or black beans are easy to grow and produce abundant yields. Once dried, they can be stored almost indefinitely, providing a reliable protein source for years. They also enrich your soil by fixing nitrogen. Winter squash varieties, such as butternut, acorn, or spaghetti squash, are invaluable. They are rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, offering crucial nutrition during colder months. Their hard skins protect a wealth of goodness. These plants are vigorous growers, often producing large yields from just a few plants. Their most significant advantage is their incredible storage potential. Cured winter squash can last 6 months to a year without refrigeration. Corn, particularly dent corn varieties, is a staple crop for a reason. It provides a high caloric yield per acre, making it an efficient energy source. Dent corn can be ground into flour for baking or used as feed for livestock. While it requires a bit more space, corn is relatively straightforward to cultivate. Once dried, corn kernels store exceptionally well, offering a long-term food supply. It's a foundational crop for self-sufficiency. Cabbage might seem simple, but it's a survival garden hero. It's incredibly cold-hardy, allowing for harvests well into the cooler seasons. Cabbage is rich in vitamins K and C and dietary fiber. Its true power lies in its versatility for preservation. Cabbage can be fermented into sauerkraut, a traditional method that extends its shelf life for months and boosts its probiotic content. This makes it an excellent source of fresh nutrients when other options are scarce. Finally, we have the dynamic duo, onions and garlic. While not primary calorie sources, these alliums are indispensable for flavor, nutrition, and even medicinal properties. They make bland survival meals palatable and provide essential compounds. Both onions and garlic are relatively easy to grow and require minimal space. They store exceptionally well for many months in a cool, dry environment. Having a steady supply of these can significantly improve morale and health during challenging times. Building a resilient food supply is one of the most empowering steps you can take. These 7 crops offer a robust foundation for your survival garden, providing calories, protein, vitamins, and minerals. They are chosen for their ease of growth, high yields, and excellent storage capabilities. Start small, learn as you go, and expand your efforts each season. Your garden isn't just a patch of dirt. It's a vital investment in your family's future and a powerful hedge against economic uncertainty. Take control of your food security today.